Have you ever had a client inquiry that seemed so promising only for it to fizzle out right at the finish line?
We've all been there, and today we're sharing the one thing that made all the difference for us and our clients when it comes to closing those big sales.
So we're going to tell you about Sarah, one of our recent coaching clients. Sarah is a wedding planner with incredible talent, but she came to us frustrated. She was getting inquiries, having great conversations, but time and time again, the bookings just were not happening.
She told us, I feel like I'm doing everything right, but when it's time to close the sale, they either ghost me or they say they need more time to decide.
Does this sound familiar? Now, here's the thing. Sarah had all of the ingredients for her success. Her services were amazing, her branding was on point, but she wasn't asking for the sale in a way that felt natural or confident.
So if this story is resonating with you and you're tired of missing out on those dream clients, you are in the right place.
Now, just pause for a second and hit that subscribe button, because we are all about giving you the strategies to attract, connect, and close more sales with confidence. So, what did Sarah change? It all came down to her approach at the end of her sales consultations.
Here are the 3 steps we coached her through. Okay, step 1. So Sarah started her sales calls by actively listening and asking questions about her clients' dream weddings. Then at the end of the call, she'd repeat back their vision, saying something like, so what I'm hearing is that you want a day that's elegant, stress-free, and filled with personal touches. Does this sound about right? This made her clients feel seen and understood. Next, Sarah leaned into confidently explaining how she could bring that vision to life. She stopped focusing on listing her services and started connecting her work to their specific needs. For example, with my team managing all the logistics, you'll be able to relax and enjoy the day, knowing every detail is being handled. Then finally, Sarah started closing every call with this simple but powerful line. It sounds like we're a great fit. Should we go ahead and reserve the date?
This wasn't pushy, it was inviting, and it was giving her clients permission to say yes.
And the result? Sarah booked 3 new clients in her first month using this approach. And here's the best bit. These clients weren't just inquiries, they were her dream couples who fully appreciated her value.
She even told us that she feels so much more confident now, knowing how to guide the conversation and close with ease. Okay, let's recap those steps. So, recap the client's vision to show that you're aligned and that you've listened. Position your value and connect it to their needs. And then confidently ask for the sale with a simple but inviting question.
If you've been struggling with closing sales, try this process. It's not about being pushy, it's about giving your clients the clarity they need to move forward. If you've loved this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with a fellow wedding pro who might need to hear this.
And if you want more strategies like this, make sure you're subscribed. We've got even more tips to help you attract dream clients and grow your wedding business. So see you on the next one.